See if I can find that setup guide. Hold on now. Shit. All right, bet. Now, Claude, I want to go over Claude really quickly, right? And this doesn't apply for Codex because Codex is literally Codex, right? Um, Claude has three different levels. You have Claude Chat, which is like Chat GPT, is simply the chat bot. Input in, output out, right? Drop a yes in the chat if you understand that. Claude Chat is just like Chat GPT. Input in, output out. We got it? You write something, you get a response. That's how a chatbot works. Then we also have something called Cowork. Cowork is like your assistant. Cowork is like your intern. However, you do not build AI agents on Cowork or Chat. Everyone got it? If you came to the event yesterday, I need you to answer this specifically. Why is that? Why do we not, or why can't we build agents on Claude Chat or Claude Cowork? Let me know in the chat, y'all. Who can answer that for me? The answer is low key on the screen. They don't have access to your folders. Assistant versus employee. I know who came to the event yesterday. I could tell. They are tools because we can't train. All these answers are correct. Claude Chat does not have access to your folders. Claude Chat does not have access to your folders. Chat GPT does not have access to your folders. It is simply a tool. A tool works when you work. A system works without you. Codex is a system. Claude Code is a system. It can read your files. It can write your work. It remembers you. This is where your agents live. All right. If anybody else needs the link to the setup page, I'll go ahead and drop that for you and pin it also. All right, I'm gonna leave that there because I can't pin more than one comment. All right, so Claude Code, three levels: Claude Chat, Claude Cowork, Claude Code. All right, we use Claude Code for AI agents, Claude Code only for AI agents. If you're using Chat GPT, you use Codex only for AI agents. All right, perfect. All right, so we build in Claude Code. We already walked through this. We already got set up and all of that stuff. The terminal window is just a text window into your computer. It looks like hacker stuff. It is a chat box. You'll use it for maybe 5 commands today, and your agent will handle the rest. All right. If you can text, you can terminal. All right. We went through all of this already. So every agent has the same 5 parts. Every agent has a job. Every agent has And why can they do it for you? Because they have access to do it, because you are pointed at the folder. If something looks wrong, you say so. It fixes itself and it remembers the correction. You trust, then verify. So don't tell me it's done. Show me that it's done. Everyone go ahead and grab this screenshot really quickly. Drop a done in the chat once you have got the screenshot. I'm setting up my AI workspace, build it out properly so you and any agents I create later always work out of one organized folder. Before you create anything, ask me 3 questions and wait for my answers. What should we name this workspace? What's my business and what am I building? And what do I want off my plate? Then build a structure, show me what you made, and print the full path to the folder so I can copy it. All right. We've already done this because this is also in the setup guide.
Can we ask the question or no?
Oh, I mean, you're already
No.
unmuted, so just go ahead. Just go
I
ahead.
think I'm really confused on the interview part because I'm like,
Okay.
am I answering these questions as the agent I want it to be, or I'm answering it as me, the owner of whatever the business is you're doing?
You know your business best
Okay.
because it's your business. You know things that the AI is not going to know, right? So the purpose of the interview is to have it interview you so it can get as much context as possible based on what you do, who you are, what you serve, what's your strengths, what's your weaknesses, right? So I would say you need to answer those questions in depth as much as possible. Like they shouldn't be one-liners. You should try to go as much in depth as possible, especially if you have whisper flow, because now the constraint for you is no longer having to type a bunch of shit. All right, because you can just simply use your voice and talk. You got it, T Mac, you there?
I'm here. I think I have it. I'm answering as me, the business owner, not as the agent I'm trying to create.
Yep.
Because
So give me an example of a question that I asked you just now. Just one question.
I stopped it at the very first one. It says, "What do you do? Your role?" And I was like, "Is this for the agent or for
No,
me?"
that would be for you. So my
Okay.
role is I'm a business owner. My name is T Mac. I
Uh-huh.
own
Da, da, da,
T-Mac
da.
Consultants, where we help entrepreneurs file taxes, fix credit, and we
Okay.
also help them with funding.
Oh, okay.
You get what I'm saying? So you
Okay.
got to give it context. That's really all it is, just the context so that it knows about you and your specific business. Because every single person on this Zoom call, they have a different business and they have a different use case.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
All right, perfect. All right, so your agent's office built all out for you. This is what this should look like after your agents build it out, right? While it interviews you, you answer your answers are writing the exact file. So who it is, its job, it's one sentence, who you are, your business, your customers, your goal, how you sound, your voice, 3 words plus a writing sample. Its rules, acts first, keep it short, and with the next step. Its boundaries, what it never touches, money, sending, deleting, any correction. So every mistake you fix gets written down here. New fact every time, type and say it, change one line, and every future session already knows. Next up, again, we covered a lot of this already in the setup guide, but I'm just reiterating it and going over it again. You connect that folder to your desktop app, whether it's the Claude desktop app or the Codex desktop app. All right, so now your agent exists. Workspace is built by the agent, folders connected. You wrote down your folder name, right? All of those different things. You should never be stuck for more than 7 seconds. If you are, you need to copy this prompt that's on the screen. I'm stuck. Here's what it says. Before you tell me what to do, ask me one question at a time until you understand my problem. If everyone got it, drop a got it inside of the chat. If everyone got it, drop a got it inside of the chat for me. Perfect. All right, so unfortunately, these looks like my slides from yesterday. Am I bugging? It's my slides from yesterday, but it added new photos to it to make me think that it was a brand new presentation. All right, oh, let's finish up, y'all. We're gonna get out of here probably in about the next 20 minutes.